Transpose of a matrix. The transpose of the matrix A, written AT, is a matrix obtained by writing rows of A in orders as columns. When given a matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are told to write matrix A or transpose matrix A, simply means we write matrix A by writing row as column. 1, where this 2, write it as column, this row, write it as column, or we are still going to have the same order if we so this is the transpose and this is the matrix. If we're given that B equals 3, 5, 7, 9, okay, so if we in first case decided to write transpose matrix A by writing the orders, the row as column. Now we're going to write the column as rows. In that way, transpose B transpose, this is the column, so it comes to 7, this is the column 5, 9. So either you go by writing the row as column or the column as row. In that way, you will have transpose the given matrix. So what we have here, if A is 1, 3, 2, 4, this is the row, this is the column, this is the first row, second row, this is the column, then A transpose or AT is equals to 1, 3 is the, and it's 1, 3 here written as the row, so column written as the row, 2, 4, second column written as the second row, turned to row. If B is 6, 11, this row matrix, the transpose of this matrix is when this row matrix is written as a column matrix. That's what transpose is all about. So if C is equal to 0, 1, 4, 17, 2, 3, 5, 16, then C transpose is 0, 7, 3. 0, 7, 3 is a column here, but when you are transposing, it becomes a row. 7, 10, 1, 10, 5 is a column, but it becomes a row. And 4 to 16 is a column, it turns to a row when transposed. This is all transpose of a matrix is all about. We shall take examples on this topic as a way. Where we need to find the transpose of the matrices below. So P is first 4, 0, 1, 2. Transpose P is equals to 4, 0. Turn the row to a column. This row to column 1, 2 as a transpose. Q is equals to 10, 0, 1, and Q is equals to, turn the, this is the row, so we turn it to a column, it's a row matrix. So in transposing it, we turn it to a column matrix. Q transpose. Next one is Q. Q is 15, 13, 13, 15, 0, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, 7, Q transpose is equals to, turn the row to column 13, 1, 0, is row to column 15, 4, 2, is row to column 0, 1, 7, and 3 minus 5, 6 minus 4. So N transpose sequence from this row to column 36, from this row to column -5, -6, -5, -6. That's number one. Number two, given that E, which is E is equals to -2, 1, 4, -6. The total obtain E plus A transpose. The first transpose matrix E, transpose matrix E, that is obtain E transpose. So E transpose is equals to, write this column as row. We're going to have -2, 1, and we'll write this column as row. We have 4, -6. Yeah, that's the transpose matrix. The next thing is to add. Next, evaluate E plus A transpose. That is E is -2, 1, 4, -6 plus A transpose matrix of E. So -2, 4, 1, -6. You're going to have so give us -2 plus -2, -2 plus -2, and 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, -6 plus -6. Plus sign minus is minus. -2 minus 2 gives us -4. This is 5. 4 plus 1, 5. -6 plus sign minus is minus. -6 minus 6 gives us -12. Next, evaluate A plus A transpose. So this is A plus AT. So the transpose of this matrix is what we are going to do here. So A plus AT transpose is equals to A plus AT is matrix. This matrix. So this matrix, we're going to turn the row into column. So the first row will become our first column. Second row will become our second column. This is it. Number 3. If x is equals to 1, 2, -1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and y is -1, 0, 2, 1, -1, -1, 2, -1, 1. So we have to look for 2x minus y. First, evaluate 2x. 2x is scalar. 2 matrix x, 1, 2, -1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is times 1, 2, 4, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. So next, evaluate 2x minus y. 2x minus y is equals to 2x is 2, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 0, 2 minus matrix y minus 1, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 1. Okay. This is 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 0, minus 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1, and 2 minus 1. So minus is plus 2 plus 1, 3, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 0, 4. Minus plus, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus plus 1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 2x minus y. Next is 2x minus y transpose 2x minus y transpose equals to, we write this rule as column 3 minus 1, 0. We write this rule as column 4 minus 1. Write this rule as column minus 4, 1, 1.